welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you unique ways to wrap gifts. I'm showing you some really great gift wrapping hacks, so let's jump into it. For this first wrapping hack, what you are going to need is any type of fabric that you have on hand. I am using more of a knit polka dot fabric, but use cotton or whatever you have. I have about a 12 by 12 square for these 3 little oils. And I just folded one side completely over to cover the oils, and I keep it straight so it looks nice, and then fold the other side on top of the one that we just folded. Next, you'll fold the bottom of the fabric up and under far enough so that when you do kind of pinch it and tie it, it will be part of that little tie so that it doesn't keep falling and your stuff falls out. Next, you'll tie your little gift bag or your fabric little gift bag with whatever you have on hand to use. I used jute string because I liked the look of it, tied a little bow, and that is it. Next, I'll just cut the little strings, and you could cut the top of the fabric if it's too long, but I liked it, and that's it. That's your first wrapping hack. For your second wrapping hack, what you are going to need is a paper sack of your choice. They come in different prints and different colors. I just used a brown paper bag because you can customize this. It looks rustic. You can add whatever you want to it. Next, you'll need something that is straight and will not bend. So a cute candy cane, a sucker stick, a cute coffee stirring stick, whatever you'd like, and a gift to go inside the bag. Next, I'll put my essential oils in the bag and fold the top over from the bag pretty much to the bottom or as far as you'd like. You can fold it a few times, but I notice it's easier if you just fold it once. And next, you'll cut little slits in the bag, one on each side, and try to make them as even as possible. Next, you are going to thread your object through the little slits that you created, and that is it. I think this is a really cute way to add a pop of color and something different than just a little string tie. For this next hack, you are going to need a gift box and a headband. You can use a baby headband or you could use an adult headband, whatever you want. I would also say it kind of depends on the size of the box. So you are going to loop one side of the headband over one side of the box and the next side of the headband over the other side of the box. It gives it a luxurious feel, locks it in place, and keeps it simple. For this next hack, you are going to be wrapping with scrapbook paper. I love using scrapbooking paper to wrap with because you can buy stacks and stacks of it for super cheap, but you get so many different prints and it keeps your gift unique. I also love using scrapbook paper to wrap little gift boxes like this with because it creases really well and has really clean lines. So it gives you a very polished look to a gift. One other thing with scrapbooking paper that I personally do love is you don't have to roll out a whole long sheet of wrapping paper. You just keep it in a nice little stack, wrap the gift like normal, and there you go. So my next hack is to use double-sided tape. I love using this hack because you don't see the tape and you don't see the lines. It just creates a really clean finish to a gift. I also love using this brown utility paper from Dollar Tree. You can really dress it up and give your gifts the really cute rustic look, but it's $1 and it's awesome. I love using the double stick tape because it creates a really clean finish to a gift. Stick it on the bottom of the wrap, press it really well, and there you go. Just be mindful if you do have thicker wrapping paper, sometimes the double stick tape doesn't stick that well to it, so keep that in mind if you are going to try this hack out this year. For my next hack to keep your ribbon organized and pulling smoothly, just put it on your little paper towel holder and there you go. I love this hack. For this next hack, you are just going to need a picture. You can use whatever you want and whatever is special to that person. Stick it under the little bow. And there you go, that's it. For this next wrapping tip or wrapping hack, you are going to need some ribbon, something to decorate your tube with if you choose that step, a toilet paper roll or tube, and something to put inside this little gift box. I painted my tube white, but you could paint yours whatever color you wanted or leave it the color it comes. and then you are just going to fold one side in and then the other side in. Just right like that. So it creates a little box. I liked to kind of go over the creases to make it a little bit more crisp. And if you live in a more humid climate, I've noticed it's easier to fold the little gift box. Next, I'm going to be taking my scrapbook paper and just locking it in place with some glue. This looks funny, my little scrapbook paper looks funny, but there's a purpose I did it that way because I wanted this piece that I'm about to glue the edge on to cover it completely. So I cut it down a little bit so it wasn't so bulky and then just lined that little puppy with glue. You could fold this edge, but I was afraid it would be a little bit more bulky than I actually wanted. And then I did put a little bit of glue on each edge to keep those from flapping up and to give it a cleaner look. That step's totally optional. I just found it to be more helpful and to give it a really cute look for this gift box. Once that is all done, I tied mine with some little red ribbon, but you could just leave it like that or put something in the middle like a little sprig of garland or whatever you want. But I love this little gift box. It would be so cute to give to a friend. You could deliver a diamond ring or really pretty ring to your wife. I think this would be so darling to gift. I love the way this turned out. I tied a little bow and there you go. That's it. That's the last little final look. For this second to last hack, what you are going to need is a cereal box or envelope box. My mom wrapped gifts in these when she would run out of gift boxes. So you just put the gift inside the box that's still intact. You can tuck the little tab over so it closes the box and then wrap it like normal. I love that it's unique. I love that it's different, but it's a great hack if you run out of wrapping boxes. So there you go. For this last wrapping hack or unique way to wrap a gift, what you are going to need is a gift. You are going to need a ribbon or tie, and you are also going to need a Christmas ornament. You could wrap your gift in paper, like scrapbook paper, like I showed earlier in this video as a hack, or wrapping paper. But because I liked the tie with the gift and I liked the pop of red, I kept it plain. So wrap the little tie around your gift, add your Christmas ornament. You could DIY your own Christmas ornament, or you could find a very special ornament for the person you are gifting it to. I think that is a very special addition. And you just tie the little ornament onto the gift. You can tie a pretty bow with a ribbon or a little knot and just cut the string a little bit shorter. But I love this hack. It's very simple, but it adds a perfect pop of color or a very special thought to your gift. And that is it. That is the final hack. I hope you enjoyed this gift wrapping hack video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.